This video is about the risks and rewards attached to buying Apple stock right now and my plan to invest in Apple. Ciao, it's Marco here, and subscribe to this channel to boost your finances. So what do you get if you invest in Apple today? Well, you definitely get a company that has proven to perform well in Rona times. Looking at the data, Apple has beaten the expected revenue by $7 billion. This is amazing! But what's even more incredible is to see that Apple revenues are up 11% compared to 2019. This is insane, and I'm sure that Steve is laughing his socks off right now. Hang on, Marco, but what if the whole market crashes again? Well, if that happens, the price of Apple will definitely drop as well. However, it's safe to say that the price of Apple will also recover. Apple has been the company with the highest market cap since 2011, and in times of uncertainty, people look for the best runner to find safe returns. This actually goes beyond being an estimates-beating company. It means to be one of the most well-known and influential companies on the globe. And as my friend and slightly more well-known fellow YouTuber Rob says, we can literally make anything and you'll still buy it. This begs the question though, why would you invest in Apple as opposed to Amazon or Google? Before I get into it, subscribe to this channel to get fresh updates on Apple and Tesla and other companies I invest in. I've just released a video on Tesla and you must watch it, and I will link it at the end of this video. Now, the reason why Apple is perhaps the sexiest of the FAANG companies, it's because they are the only one paying dividends. I need to manage your expectations though, do not expect to receive a high dividend. However, Apple has been paying dividends for 13 years, and that's in spite of the crash in 2008 and obviously the current Rona situation. The dividend yield is now sitting at 0.7%, which is not great, but it's better than leaving your cash in the bank. In addition to that, Apple seems to feel very confident about their cash flow, and they've always increased their dividends. If you then add the fact that Apple stock is also good for growth, you then understand why it's the company with the highest market cap. Another important factor that sets aside Apple from the other FAANG stocks is the fact that the company always tries to keep the price of the stock very low through stock splits. This is actually very important to attract dumb money. Stock cheap buy, stock not cheap no buy. But you can also buy fractional shares now. No cheap no buy. On a serious note, this may well be the reason why Apple is such a popular stock. And aside from the split coming at the end of August, Apple has already split the stock 4 times in the past. Wow, that's a great bullish thesis, but why is Apple not in your portfolio already? Well, that's a good question, and if you love chatting about investing like I do, you can find me and other like-minded people on my Discord group and join us for a chat. Or you can DM me on Instagram, and I've always replied to everyone. The links are in the description below. Well, the reason why I haven't bought any Apple stock yet is just because it has just passed an earnings report with flying colors. And if you buy Apple stock today, you take on a major risk, and that's that the stock price might drop like a stone. I mean, no one knows what the future holds, but Apple is not a fly-by-night nor a spec stock, and it's definitely here to stay. So what I'm planning to do is to wait for the price to drop to $360 and then start cost averaging in. I strongly believe in Apple, especially in the way the stock is managed. However, I still think that the stock is a bit overvalued now. Subscribe to this channel if you want to receive updates as I turn Apple into the cornerstone of my dividend portfolio. However, the main stock is and will be Tesla. The video on the screen right now is about my thesis on Tesla and my plan to profit from this stock. Pick the best stock, click on the video.